A healthy colon means a healthy you. Our colon stores food particles that are not digested in the stomach, and in the small intestines. This organ also absorbs water, salt, and other nutrients from this food remain. The restoration and maintenance of your overall health are generally dependent on the state of your digestion. Thus, colon cleansing is very essential when you want to have a healthy digestion and better lifestyle. In its simplest sense, colon cleansing improves the digestive system's ability of breaking food particles, absorption of nutrients, water and salt, and smooth elimination of fecal wastes. The end result of a successful colon cleansing is more energy and vigor. A healthy diet composed of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and other food that are rich in vitamin, minerals, and fiber is one of the best methods of cleaning our colon from these fecal wastes. However, regardless of how healthy our diet is, most people could greatly benefit from colon cleansing using natural and organic herbal products. A healthy diet is one of the best methods to ensure overall wellness. Most experts agree that if you combine herbal products with a healthy diet, your colon can be cleansed naturally and smoothly, without employing other methods. The main reason why most people are turning to herbal colon cleansers is that it can smoothly flush out harmful fecal buildup inside the bodies that have been accumulated for years. The normal process for our digestive system after a very heavy meal diet is to secrete mucus so that the intestinal lining will be protected. However, there are instances when this mucus secretion is not completely taken out from the body, and tend to build up into layers. These layers can dehydrate into a mass of rubbery matter inside the colon. These fecal wastes can produce toxic materials that can result to the following health problems: acne, eczema, headache, constipation, indigestion, flatulence, bloating, gas, depression, obesity, digestive disorders, sexual disorders, and parasites. Most people are still aware that organic ingredients are preferable than synthetic drugs. A colon cleanser made from all natural ingredients such as psyllium husk, lemon and honey, and aloe vera are the most ideal solution in cleansing our colon. However, these products are not to be used for a longer period than a month. Most experts recommend a particular dosage of these products for a short period of time but on a regular basis every year. Organic ingredients are preferred by most patients because they work gently on the delicate lining of the intestines. Here are the foods that help you clear your colon and get a natural colon cleanse. Foods rich in magnesium. Magnesium-rich foods, such as nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables, are beneficial because they help to relax the nerves in the stomach. Low magnesium levels are common in persons who suffer from IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome. As a result, consuming magnesium from meals, or taking a magnesium natural supplement can help maintain the colon healthy. Here is the example of foods that are high in magnesium: whole wheat, spinach, quinoa, almonds, cashews, and peanuts, dark chocolate, black beans, edamame, avocado, tofu, legumes, and leafy greens vegetables, oats, and apples for soluble fiber. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats and apples, is a vital element of our diets because it helps to moisten the intestinal lining, which aids in clean bowel movements. It also improves the rate of gastrointestinal motility, which allows the bowels to flow smoothly without causing excessive water reabsorption, which results in pellet-like feces. The high fiber content of oats, for starters, aids in regular and healthy bowel movements. A dietitian defines this as at least one simple bowel movement each day. Ideally 2 or 3. Healthy bowel movements not only aid in the effective removal of toxins and wastes from the body, but they also lower our risk of issues like hemorrhoids and colon illness. Another drink that aids colon cleansing is apple juice. Apple juice aids in the breakdown of toxins and the stimulation of bowel motions. Drink 1 glass of water 30 minutes after drinking apple juice to make it more effective. Water. Water is one of the simplest and safest ways to naturally cleanse the colon. Water softens the stool, making it easier to travel through the colon. Because the body is attempting to retain water, a dehydrated individual will have fewer bowel motions. It will reabsorb water from the intestine, resulting in a dry, hard, and difficult to pass stoolie. Everyone's daily hydration requirements are varied, but drinking lots of water throughout the day is essential. Colon cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also, consume a lot of meals that are high in water. Watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery are among the fruits and vegetables that fall under this category. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice helps to increase the amount of water in your intestines. Increased intestinal water content has been linked to the activation of peristalsis, which helps you move stool correctly, according to research. Try integrating aloe vera juice into your regular routine if you're constipated, or have difficulties with recurrent constipation. Aloe also helps to maintain a healthy intestinal flora, by balancing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. How to make aloe vera juice. 1. Pick the leaves of aloe vera leaves, and wash it thoroughly under a running water to remove dirt and mud. 2. Dry the leaves with a clean cloth and leave it for an hour. 3. Use scissors to remove the thorny part on both sides of the leaf. 4. Remove the skin of aloe vera and scrape the gel to a bowl. The gel must be clear, free from any yellowish or green parts because these are toxic. 5. Wash thoroughly the aloe vera gel with clean water. 6. Cut the gel into smaller pieces, and put it in a blender. Add little amount of water and then blend on a low setting for about 4 to 5 minutes, and your juice will be ready to go. 7. Add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera blend to any juice to enjoy the taste. Probiotics. Colon health necessitates the use of probiotics. They are used to treat, cure, or prevent digestive disorders by feeding your microbiota, and therefore cleaning and balancing your body. As a result, they play a crucial role in the detoxification process. Heavy metals such as lead, arsenic, mercury, and cadmium are found in a lot of the food we eat, and they can cause a variety of illnesses, including neurological disorders, liver disease, and headaches. Lactobacilli have been found to bind to heavy metals, preventing them from being absorbed in the colon, and assisting in the detoxification process. Here is a list of probiotic foods that are super healthy and can help colon cleansing. Yogurt. Kimchi. Miso. A Japanese fermented soybean. Pickles. Kefir. A fermented milk beverage. Traditional buttermilk not cultured. Tempeh. Is a soy-based food, sometimes used as an alternative to meat. Flax, and chia seeds. They may be little, but they have a lot of gut cleaning power. Both flax and chia seeds are high in lipids and fiber, which help to maintain a healthy colon and digestion. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been found to help with inflammation, and cell wall stability. Put them in your smoothies, on salads, in your oatmeal, or in a glass of water and drink it. Salt water flush. A salt water flush is a safe way to clear your system. It's a simple and affordable approach to cleanse your colon, and get rid of toxins that have built up in your body. The body pushes waste down to the GI tract. GI tract is the hollow organs that make up the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. It releases toxins, and improves digestion when you drink a blend of genuine sea salt and water. This method of stomach and colon cleansing has been around for a long time, and is considered to be safer than commercial colon cleansing medicine like diuretic teas or laxatives. A salt water flush may be achieved by combining 2 tablespoons of sea salt, or pink salt with lukewarm water, and drinking it on an empty stomach. Within minutes, it promotes colon movement. This can be done twice a day. Lemon, water, and honey. The combination of lemon and honey in warm water is an excellent drink for relieving constipation and improving digestion. This drink aids in colon cleaning and the elimination of undigested food and toxins from the body. Combine fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, and a sprinkle of salt in warm water, and drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Herbal tea. Psyllium, aloe vera, marshmallow root, and slippery elm are all laxative plants that can assist with constipation. Before using these herbs, see your doctor, or an herbal expert, and carefully follow the recommendations. Also, use them cautiously, because they might be hazardous if used excessively. Keep in mind that herbal treatments, like conventional pharmaceuticals, may interact badly with other medications. As a result, it's best to check with your doctor before adding a new plant or supplement to your routine. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.